7 varieties of potato. A plot of earth, a mere 2 square meters. One great experiment. Who will reign supreme?
So I'm here in my potato plot, and we're going to dig them up and find out exactly what it is we actually produced here.
I wanted to discover which potatoes grew best in our climate, particularly the microclimate of our garden. And so I collected 7 varieties of potatoes and set aside a plot of ground about 2 square meters and planted the potatoes to see what would happen. And the winning varieties are going to find a home, hopefully, in our garden next year. Potatoes are a great crop for us because generally they're going to give you a really good return on your investment. Even this little plot that we put together for this year, I think we planted 364 grams of potatoes and ended up harvesting close to 5 kilograms. So that's a 13 times return. So what varieties did we plant? Well, we planted a Yukon, a Norland Red, a Prince of Orange fingerling potato, a Warba, and a Chieftain. We also planted 2 hybrids that have been developed locally here. One was a Russian Blue and the other was a Prince of Orange cross. So what came out as the best ones? The Yukon Potato came in last at about 289 grams. The Russian Blue then came in at 327, and you'll notice that it's a little bit scabby, and that's because we have a pretty dry climate, and even with watering it, it was suffering from that. Then we have the Chieftain, which came in at 356 grams, the Prince of Orange Hybrid at 487, and then the Prince of Orange just standard potato, which came in at 914, the Norland Red, 978 grams, and the winner and first place this year was the Warba Potato at 1.2 kilograms. So next year, we're probably going to try planting the Prince of Orange fingerling potatoes just because I like them and they're interesting to grow, and the Norland potato because it is a pretty good producer, and of course we're going to put in that Warba potato. I might also try the Russian blue again just because I like the variety and the different colors that come out of the garden. Well, I'm finished talking about potatoes for this year except for eating them, so you might want to be interested in this video here.